Hallelujah! Praise be to God. We once again welcome you to a prophetic session with Prophet Robert Muwanguzi of Life Having Christian Ministries, Mukono. God chose himself a prophet. He anointed him, he blessed him, and made him his conduit and medium of communication to mankind. On Sunday, 8th December, year 2019, the Holy One of God prophesied about the floods that were going to hit Nepal and sweep away villages.
In Nepal,
mu nsi gye bayita Nepal
there will be floods.
wajja kubayo amataba
It will sweep out some villages.
gagenda kwera ebyalo. Prophesy!
It is going to happen.
Bigenda kuba.
It's unbelievably true that after only 238 days of prophecy, we have witnessed God's revelation through his chosen one coming to pass when a monsoon-triggered calamity, call it disaster, befell Nepal. Prophecy is confirmed by a report from the Nepal Risk Reduction and Management Authority that at least 132 people have died, 128 injured, 53 have gone missing, 998 families have been affected due to the landslides, floods, and rainfall in the country.
There's no way to get up there. My house is now surrounded with water that has risen up from what used to be a small stream.
Several communities have remained isolated as the road infrastructure leading to the disaster sites remain blocked by debris. Surely, prophecy by Prophet Robert Muwanguzi of Life Having Christian Ministries Mukono has never gone unfulfilled. Indeed, the Sovereign Lord never does anything without revealing his plans to his servants, the prophets.